Okay, using my VersaCut 40 right now. And I am using it on 110 airline. I'm having a problem. All it's doing is it's making this popping, snapping sound. It lights, but it ain't burning through. It'll burn through and then it'll stop and it'll spark and do nothing. So, I think I either have it set wrong or I don't have enough power going to it. I'm on 110. I usually use my 12,000 watt generator to power this unit. That's taken apart right now, so using 110. I do have a 220 outlet. I'd go try. I have to bring all this stuff over there, but there's dry grass over there, so if I throw sparks, it might catch on fire. So that's not a good idea. But maybe I said it wrong. Let me know in the comments if you are familiar with the VersaCut plasma cutters, and tell me if I'm doing anything wrong. I could use the help. So, it didn't spark at all, and then I got a new ground clamp, and now it's working. So, catch you on the next one.